Oregano has been used for thousands of years in cooking, medicine, and cosmetics for its incredible health benefits. Oregano oil is one of the top antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral oils you can use. It is also a potent antioxidant. Let's delve right into the powerful health benefits and uses of oregano oil. Number 1. Treating bacterial overgrowth. Bacteria are everywhere, on your skin, in your nose, inside your body, and sometimes it can be too much for your body to handle. That's where oregano oil steps in. One of its active ingredients, carvacrol, has been shown to inactivate various pathogenic bacteria and their biofilms. It effectively eliminates bacteria that cause acne, bad breath, food poisoning, ear infections, bladder and urinary tract infections, and even pneumonia. Number 2. Alleviating symptoms of upper respiratory tract conditions. Oregano oil is an outstanding natural remedy that can help alleviate symptoms of upper respiratory tract conditions, including colds, flu, sinusitis, bronchitis, asthma, and allergies. It contains rosmarinic acid, which relieves congestion in the nasal passages and lungs by thinning out mucus secretions. Research suggests that this can help prevent the spread of an infection throughout the body by improving the drainage of respiratory tract secretions, such as phlegm, mucus, and pus from infected lungs or sinuses. Oregano oil also acts as an antispasmodic agent, helping to relax the muscles around your airways, making breathing easier. Number 3. Managing inflammatory conditions. Oregano oil naturally reduces inflammation in the body by inhibiting pro-inflammatory mediators, thereby relieving pain, stiffness, and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis or osteoporosis. The anti-inflammatory properties of oregano oil also help reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, making it an effective treatment for inflammatory bowel diseases, such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Number 4. Fighting fungal infections. Fungal infections are common and can be quite contagious, affecting the skin, nails, or scalp and causing itchiness or soreness. They can also cause pain in the mouth or throat. The most common types of fungal infections include jock itch, ringworm, athlete's foot, yeast infections, and thrush. Oregano oil contains thymol, a powerful compound that effectively destroys these microbes, making it a potent ally in the fight against fungal infections. Number 5. Eating digestive problems. When it comes to treating digestive issues, oregano oil is a superstar. It's commonly used to alleviate abdominal cramps, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. Additionally, oregano oil can help relieve symptoms of acid reflux by calming stomach muscles and reducing inflammation in the esophagus. Thanks to its natural antibacterial properties, oregano oil is also effective in treating small intestine bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, a condition where bacteria from the large intestine migrate into the small intestine. Number 6. Treating and preventing parasitic infections. Parasitic infections are caused by tiny organisms that infect the body by burrowing into the tissue and causing inflammation. This can lead to a range of problems, including fatigue, headaches, muscle aches, and joint pain. If left untreated, these infections can cause more serious issues, such as liver damage or even death. Oregano oil is powerful enough to treat or prevent intestinal parasites like pinworms and tapeworms, as well as other parasitic infections. You can use oregano oil internally or topically, depending on the specific condition you want to treat. When taken orally, it's typically a few drops diluted with water. If applied topically, it needs to be diluted in a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Oregano oil extract is also available in capsule or pill form. It's important to understand the difference between oil of oregano and oregano essential oil. Essential oils are much more concentrated and should not be ingested. Also, different types of oregano may have higher concentrations of certain compounds. Wild oregano in particular tends to have more carvacrol, the antibacterial agent, and more thymol, the antifungal agent. Despite these variances, a bottle of this humble oil is an excellent ally in your natural health arsenal. However, always talk to your doctor before taking oregano oil, as it might interact with certain medications, and avoid using it if you're allergic to mint, basil, sage, or lavender. Do not use oregano oil if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a post. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.